Hi all, welcome to the tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the color picker. The color picker is used in many places within the app. Here, I will demonstrate its use in View Designs. We have selected a photo. Let's go to View Design. Monarch Butterfly from the default filter, Wings filter is displayed. The design background is transparent. Bring up Design Properties view. Here, you can see the design background has a transparent color. I'm going to change it by invoking the color picker. In the color picker, on the top is the hue bar. I can select a color in the hue bar or pan, and the color view below it will change accordingly to show different shades of the selected color. I will go in the color view and select a particular shade, and the selected color changes below in the screen. As I move my finger, the selected color changes. I will keep this color 100% opaque. Select Done button to go to Design Preferences. Select Done, and in the view, the design background has changed to purple color. I will again go in the color picker and now input the hex code of a color and change the opacity to 80% to make it a little translucent. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.